Meet the Wills family. They're bravely taking on our challenge to cook 3 ultra-tasty dinners, all in next to no time. Sounds too easy? You haven't heard the twist. Yes, we've put the kids in charge. Armed with a Tefal Cook For Me, our little chefs of the future have been bossing Mum and Dad around the kitchen while they make a scrummy sausage stew.
Today we've had a really rough day at school, we've got loads of homework, and we thought what better than to make a really quick easy dinner in the Cook For Me.
And here's the sausages. 1 centimetre,
Hello.
1 centimetre.
Preparation is 10 minutes and cooking is 9 minutes. We need the wine and the sugar.
Wine? Cool. Daddy's perked his ears up.
Chop chop.
Very bossy, these
Chop
kids.
chop, mummy.
How's the preheating going? How's the preheating going?
It smells so good. And it's so good because this is only going to take like another sort of 10 minutes. And we're done. But that's it. So now I can go do some homework and this will keep it warm so I can come down and have dinner.
Yum.
Can I start?
What do you think, Kevin?
Lovely.
I think that's approval.
So there you have it. A delicious family dinner that's so simple to make, even the kids can do it. Kit out your very own chefs of the future at tefal.co.uk/cookforme.